get your favorite beauty products at up to 70% off department store prices, go to fragrance.com. Dish Network claims to be a better value than DirecTV, but look a little closer and you'll find they have some of the highest receiver fees in the country. In fact, Dish customers pay up to $11 per month for each additional.
Daddy's laughing in his sleep. Oh my gosh. What's he laughing at?
I don't know.